Seasonal changes can be challenging for any home or business owner, especially in Fort Worth, where weather shifts can be swift and impactful. Ensuring that your home's systems, from HVAC to outdoor features, are in top condition is crucial for comfort, safety, and efficiency throughout the year. Our Fort Worth installation experts have gathered some essential seasonal tips to keep your property functioning smoothly in every weather condition. Spring. Prepare for heat waves and storms as Fort Worth transitions from winter's chill to spring's warmer breezes. It's the perfect time to prep for summer heat waves and possible spring storms. Here's how to stay ready. HVAC tune-ups. Fort Worth springs can quickly turn into scorching summers. Schedule an HVAC maintenance check to ensure your cooling system operates efficiently when temperatures rise. Cleaning or replacing air filters and checking for refrigerant levels and leaks can prevent sudden breakdowns. Outdoor maintenance. Spring rains may bring strong winds and storms. Check the stability of any outdoor installations, such as fencing, patios, and awnings. Secure loose parts and repair any damage from the previous season to avoid further issues during storms. Plumbing considerations. Spring is the ideal time to inspect outdoor plumbing, like irrigation systems, for potential winter damage. Proper maintenance now can prevent unexpected leaks during summer watering. Summer. Beat the heat and save energy. Fort Worth summers are known for their sweltering heat. Take these steps to stay cool, conserve energy, and protect your home from excessive heat exposure. Shade installations. Consider installing shade structures like pergolas or retractable awnings to shield outdoor spaces from intense sunlight. Proper shading not only enhances comfort but also extends the lifespan of outdoor furniture. Energy-efficient windows. Summer is an excellent time to upgrade to energy-efficient windows. Look for windows with UV coatings or double-pane construction to reduce cooling costs and protect indoor spaces from heat. Attic insulation. Proper attic insulation minimizes energy consumption during hot months. If you notice a spike in energy bills, it may be time to enhance insulation to keep the cool air in and the hot air out. Duct sealing. Leaky ducts can force your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy usage and costs. A summer duct sealing service from Fort Worth professionals ensures consistent cooling while saving on utility bills. Fall. Prepare for cooler weather. As temperatures cool down, fall is an excellent season for maintenance and preparation for winter. Here's what our Fort Worth experts suggest. Heating system inspection. Just as you prepared your cooling system for summer, fall is the time to ensure your heating system is in prime condition. Schedule an inspection to check for gas leaks, blocked vents, or any wear that could compromise performance during colder months. Gutter cleaning. Falling leaves can clog gutters, leading to water damage when winter rains come. Clear out debris and check for any leaks or breaks in the gutter system. Seal cracks and gaps. Inspect windows and doors for any gaps or cracks. Sealing them with weather stripping or caulking reduces drafts, helping you maintain indoor comfort and reduce energy costs. Winter. Protect and insulate. Winters in Fort Worth may not be as harsh as in northern regions, but temperature drops still pose challenges. Here's how to stay ahead of potential problems. Pipe insulation. Insulating pipes in crawl spaces, attics, and exterior walls helps prevent freezing and bursting during unexpected cold snaps. Fort Worth experts recommend using foam pipe covers for added protection. Roof maintenance. Inspect your roof for any damaged or missing shingles. Addressing this before winter storms arrive helps prevent leaks and structural damage. Smart thermostats. Installing a smart thermostat during winter can optimize your heating schedule, saving money and ensuring consistent warmth when needed. Exterior checks. Ensure exterior lights, walkways, and driveways are well lit and free of ice. This not only enhances safety but also helps prevent slips and falls. Final thought. Seasonal preparation and maintenance can significantly enhance the comfort, safety, and efficiency of your Fort Worth home or business. By following these expert tips, you can reduce unexpected repair costs, stay energy efficient, and enjoy all the benefits each season offers. Consider working with Fort Worth installation professionals to tailor solutions specific to your needs and keep your home in top shape year-round.